Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we are going to do a makeover transformation myself. Using Jeffree Star's Pink Religion makeup palette. And let's get started and see what I can do to make myself look amazing. Let's do it! So, normally, if I want to do those dramatic makeup, I like to put lashes on first. So this way kind of define my eyes a little bit so I can see where do I want my makeup to lay and then contour is going to be. Today I'm using Richlux eyelashes. Look at this, it's pretty cool, right? Alright, so let's get the makeup on right now. First thing first, I'm going to use Mooncast Multitasking Tinted Moisturizer as my all-over base. This right here, I love about this multitasking tinted moisturizer, not because I own the brand, it really is multitasking. It is moisturizer, it is a little makeup, it gives you that really nice dewy finish, even though it doesn't cover much, but you know, there are days you don't want to cover, you just want to look like you know, or you are doing what I'm doing right now, creating a really nice primer base, so this way your makeup doesn't damage your skin. So okay, and then I have this contour palette, liquid cream contour palette by Pearson Beauty. My friend Kevin, he gave me this, so I want to put this on and give it a try. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to contour my face using this. So I'm going to use the brush first for now. I'm going to go ahead and use the medium dark color right. Actually, I'm going to use this color right here. So I'm going to just do a little bit here. Like that. Oh, it looks scary. A little bit right over here. It's very creamy. I like this. Okay. Then I'm going to use the really light color under my eye. Then I'm going to use more natural color, entire face area. I'm going to use this color. Okay, let's see what we're gonna do for this magic here. Alright, so wow, there's so many color here. Let's do the matte pink first, just in case I screwed up this. So I'm gonna just pat this on. Whoa, this color is... Can you see it? This pink here. Color, really dark purple. because I don't have a deep crease, so I have to create. And I like to create a base first before I create the actual crease. To me, it's too fake. I like everything kind of blends in nicely. So, base, I'm going to use the highlighter on my and I'm going to use this one as highlighter. Just, let's see how this looks first. I'm kind of scared. I know. Oh, this gave me a very pouty look. This one, actually for my eyebrow. Oh, this is good colors. Use the highlighter from highlight. So we use this color right here. Let's see what happens. Oh my god, this is beautiful. I just brushed through over the eyebrow. It kind of just complete the look. And guys, I'm gonna tell you something. This kind of look is really for studio. It's not for going out. I mean, can you imagine if you go out like this? You'll look all screwed up. Cheekbone area. I'm gonna use this the gloss. Use a little Hello Kitty pink blush just on my cheek a little bit, give myself a little bit of color. Just right here. So what do you think about this look? You guys like it? So I hope you liked today's video. So again, I'm not the best in makeup, like this type of makeup tutorial. I can do a little bit like this, and I hope that you guys like this look. So if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment below, so let me know how you like this look, or what you don't like about this look. Obviously, I'm not going to leave the studio. I'm going to take this off right after I finish all the social media. And I appreciate your support on my social media. So thank you so much. Bye.